when we receive the machine, this is accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 handles, 1 cable, 1 plastic rack, and this is a protective cover, then you can remove it. And also there are 2 stands for the machine. So now we start to install the machine. Now we install this stick into this hole. And after that, we screw out the cap and put this plastic rack into these 2 sticks, like this way. And after that, screw back. Okay, now we put all the handles on this table, like this way. Okay, and be sure to remove this protective cover when you use the machine. Okay, there's altogether 5 holes here and 1 lock to adjust the vacuum intensity. So be sure you can look at each connector here, and the holes match the holes here. So connect each handle into this machine body like this way. Okay. Okay, screw in. So for each handle, it's the same way. When all the handles is connected well, and be sure it is all connected well, and then we have to make sure that this one is attached, okay, like this way. So now everything is ready. Now we move to the introduction of the machine. When the cable is connected and we switch on the machine here, push this button to enter the interface. Well, you can see there are 6 handles. So we introduce from this one. This is a big vacuum handle, and you can see this black part is RF. And we also have three handles to replace this one. Big, medium, small. So I will show you how to replace these handles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first we need to remove this handle like this way. And put this one. Just collect it and push. Well, that's okay. Now let's look at the interface of the vacuum and RF. Usually we start the treatment from 4 of the vacuum intensity, RF intensity 3. There are altogether 5 modes of the vacuum. And for mode 1, let's see. For mode 1, it's suction and release. For mode 2, also suction and release, but the interval will be shorter. Mode 3, also suction, release, but even shorter. The interval even shorter. Also, mode 4, it's very quick. Suction, release, suction, release. But for mode 5, it's all suction without stopping. So that's the vacuum and RF. And that's the same way for the medium and the small vacuum handles. This big handle is usually for back, belly, some large areas of your body. And this medium one is for necks, arms, some middle sizes. And this small one is usually for neck and face. before we using these 3 handles, we need to apply oil on the skin. Now let's move to this biomedical current brush. This one. Okay. And also there are 3 data that can be adjusted. Intensity, we usually start from 4 and 5 modes of different frequencies. And also heat intensity, we start from 3 start. Now let's move to the vibration heat. This one. This handle, when you Now let's move to this vibration message handle. 3 data to adjust it. Intensity, different mode of different frequencies, and the heat. We usually start from like 3 or 4 depending on our clients, and we press start. You can see the handle is vibrating, and this handle is usually for body massage on shoulder, back, belly, arms, legs, everywhere. And also there will be heat. It will be warm during the treatment. Let's move to this cavitation handle. We have 80K for this one, but we also have 40K. And you can see this is the interface. And now we will test the cavitation intensity right now. Okay. There is a place here we can enter this frequency adjustment, and you can change the frequency until you find the best one. Now you can see it's very strong. Okay.